Now this illustration is getting into voltages between conductors and so forth. And this illustration illustrates 120 volts between conductors in accordance with NEC 210.6b. Now notice we have a 20 amp circuit maybe in the panel board, or a 15 amp circuit. We have number 14 or number 12 wire run as you see. And the voltage between the conductors, they do not exceed 120 volts to ground. So we're meeting this rule. And the appliances are card and plug connected, and we have one appliance at 1440 VA or less. And we're card and plug connecting. We have luminaires that are fixed wiring. And notice, as long as we do not exceed 120 volts between conductors by the rules of 210.6b, we can connect plugs, lights, appliances, and so forth to a 20 or 15 amp branch circuit. And that's what our figure 14-18 is illustrating.